I wanted a better smile. My teeth were hidden behind my lips. In my opinion, a smile is one of the most universal, if not the most universal, nonverbal way of communicating with anyone. So I wanted my smile back. Dr. Gill came in, he said hello, he looked me in the eye, and I felt a connection. He sat down without papers and listened to my concerns. The issue was resolved by dental bonding. Dr. Gill confirmed that that was something that he could do, and I was a good candidate for that. We set up the process, and he explained everything step by step, and we achieved, he achieved exactly what I wanted. I'll never forget looking in that mirror and smiling and saying, wow, I have my smile back. Dr. Guild and the associates have a great staff, nice, kind, and competent people. They care about how they treat the patient. If you're looking for a dentist, but if you also want other craftsmanship done for your teeth or your smile, this is the place to come.